I wanted to ask about this because there's been, certainly in my time here, there's been a few instances of when end users have bent tube and you hear of tube lengths splitting or cracking. How can that be avoided? Do we have anything in place to prevent that?
We certainly insist on a minimum wall thickness. So you start with 20 and 25 mil. Our product minimum wall thickness 1.37.
Right.
In reality, our product is averaging anywhere between 1.4 and 1.45 on every batch that comes in, and they're tested.
Okay.
So that guarantees a certain amount of strength. Within the standard, there are all the different categories, with including in that is impact, compression, all these strength tests that really product would fail if the wall thickness is too light on it. So, and the other thing as well is when you're putting a thread on the product, if the wall thickness is too thin, your thread will cut through and you'll start to see visible indications of the thread inside the tube.
Wow.
Or even cutting through the tube and exposing the inside. So those are the kind of things that could happen on a product that is too thin.
Okay.
But 1.37 on a 20 and 25 mil. Obviously, with the larger sizes, 32 mil upwards, the wall thickness increases with each one.
Brilliant.